I'm from UK Space Command, and this is the RAF update from HMS Prince of Wales as the UK Carrier Strike Group departs from Australia. UK Space Command has been supporting UK Carrier Strike Group since it left Portsmouth. While we were in Australia, the Carrier Strike Group and units from across the RAF played an essential role in exercise Talisman Sabre, training alongside our international partners. Our team assisted our partners in Australia's Defence Space Command in how they can use the very latest technology to protect and defend our collective space interests and counter threats in space. The National Space Operations Centre continues its vital role monitoring space. In June, the NSPOC team tracked 55 uncontrolled re-entries into Earth's atmosphere from space, as well as 1,259 collision risks to UK satellites.
This week, the RAF welcomes a new chief, as Air Chief Marshal Sir Knighton moves on to his new role as Chief of the Defence Staff, and Air Chief Marshal Harv Smyth takes over as Chief of the Air Staff. ACM Smyth was the first RAF officer to hold the role of Deputy Chief of the Defence Staff, and he brings decades of operational and strategic expertise to the role.
That's everything for this week. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.